You know, the other day I was thinking, carbon fiber is very popular. Carbon fiber is so popular that it is really the most sought after material in the automotive industry that attracts everyone due to its strength, very high strength, and also the lightweight of the material. Ever since I can remember, from the beginning of time in the automotive industry, car enthusiasts tend to search for carbon fiber parts, put it on the car. You know, it makes it look a lot nicer, it gives it a cool accent to it, and those are in more professional level with racing. They use it to increase the rigidity of a body part, or also lighten the weight of the car, as in replacing the hood. Carbon fiber hoods was a big thing. Carbon fiber wings is another thing. It weighs close to nothing, and it actually does better for the car. So, you know, I was looking at these fog light covers here, and you can see it's carbon fiber. And I got these because I wanted to, you know, increase the way the car looks and make it look nice and give it some contrast. In my previous videos, you knew in the past, I did a review on some carbon fiber vinyl, and I actually wrapped my car in some fake carbon fiber vinyl. And if you guys don't know, because carbon fiber vinyl was invented, that really set off the industry for vinyl wrap. The fact that you can buy a fake carbon fiber material and make your car, or like a body part like this, a mirror, look like carbon fiber, and people were going insane. It blew the industry up. Back in the day, it was more like commercial wraps, and if it was a color change thing, the technology for that wrap wasn't as good as it is now. Vinyl wrap back in the day was thicker because they used it to print commercial, you know, graphics, and then they wrap it. But now you have vinyl that is so thin, like Avery, that it's easy to work with, and it's just amazing. And it's just gonna get better over time. And I thought to myself, you know, why not make this video and show you guys that because vinyl wrap, because of carbon fiber vinyl wrap, it really blew up the industry for color changes and things like that we have today. And that's the reason why vinyl wrap is so popular. And I'm just gonna show you a few things that carbon fiber vinyl wrap has done to the industry and what it can do to a car. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this vinyl wrap right here. This is like a satin or matte vinyl wrap. They have gloss, they have satin, they have matte, they have different color ones, but I'm gonna use this one specifically because this is more of what you see all over the web and on the internet. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my S2000, and we're gonna go ahead and just wrap a bunch of stuff and see how well this thing can change the look of a part on the car, or just in general how much it enhances the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping some things on this car, and let's see how this thing's gonna look. Ooh, that looks good. What about that? Good contrast, see? Make it kind of look like carbon fiber. Carbon fiber eyelid. Add a little bit more zing. Maybe even the intake box. Can wrap your B-pillars. So pretty much you can wrap anything using vinyl wrap. That's what's versatile about that. It's just a very nice temporary alternative to turn something boring into something very personal or extravagant. People don't know how big of an impact this thing really is in the industry. It really has increased the creativity and the uniqueness of car enthusiasts and car owners alike. It also fueled a lot of industries and people who have started from nothing and now have big jobs and even careers, or even own their own business in vinyl wrapping. So this vinyl wrap, carbon fiber vinyl, has become one of the staples in the vinyl wrap industries, and it really changed the industry way beyond anything we had before, which was just paint and, you know, commercial wraps. Now there's plastic dip that branches off on their own. You know, liquid wraps. There's a bunch of different things, but honestly, from the beginning up at all, vinyl wrap, specifically carbon fiber wrap, has changed the industry, and I think that deserves a little bit of recognition for what is done. If not for this product right here that came out years ago and perfected, and all the companies who invested all their time and money into making better vinyl for all of the consumers like us. I want to have this YouTube channel. I want to have my car in different colors instead of the standard color I had. I would spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars having the car repainted a different color if I wanted to change it up. Rather this, you can spend a few hundred and do it yourself and have your car any color you want for as long as you want, and not even have to spend that kind of money when it comes to like body work and paint. So being able to customize your interior, your exterior, wrapping your phone. I have my phone wrapped in gloss black, but I just peeled it off. But wrapping your computer, wrapping your TV, wrapping your fridge, all of this can all be achieved with vinyl wrap. And you know, I just want to let you guys know this is why I like it so much, because it's just a great thing to learn to use, and it's just nice to be able to change up your look instead of having standard boring parts on the car, and you're able to change it up. And if you don't like it in a couple years or months or weeks, you can just peel it right off, and that's what's great about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I just want to give an insight on carbon fiber vinyl, because really it really paved the way for how the industry is today with vinyl wrap and vinyl wrappers. So if you want to buy this specific one, I'm going to leave the link below. I'm using Vivids for this demonstration. It's pretty nice, mainly used for indoor use. They do sell an exterior one, which is Tech Wrap, I believe, and they also have a more realistic carbon fiber vinyl, which I used in one of my videos when I wrapped a Porsche GT4 rear seat, and that is epoxy black carbon fiber. It looks very fantastic, but it doesn't hold up to the element as much as Tech Wrap, which is its own type of vinyl wrap. So check those out. I'm gonna leave the links below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something today. I hope to make more videos. I've been really busy, and for those who are wondering where the Lexus have gone and why have I made so many videos on the S1000s, well, the S1000 is my project car. But if you're wondering about the Lexus, and that's gonna be for another video. Peace.